Good Monday morning, everyone. I'm Nate with Faster Hot Water, and I got some water saving tips for you today that we've actually covered before, but I want to go into a little bit more depth about what you can do to save water in this way. In a previous video, we had talked about drip irrigation systems and how they can benefit your water conservation efforts. And the biggest thing that drip irrigation does for your home garden is eliminates a lot of evaporated water. Now here I have an old sprinkler system that in a later video I'm going to tear out and show you step by step how I'm going to install a drip irrigation system for this backyard. The importance of drip irrigation is that you don't lose nearly as much water to evaporation. I think it's a difference in 50% efficiency when you're hand watering or using sprinklers to 90 to 95% efficiency with a drip irrigation system or sub-irrigating. Now the great part to doing an irrigation system, whether it be drip or even sprinklers, is that you can plot out what zones are going to get how much water. You can do this via automation, or you can do it by turning on and off the valves for that specific zone in your backyard. But not every plant is going to need the same amount of water. So understanding what plants you have in your backyard, understanding how much water they require to actually, have a happy, healthy life, that's really important to how you're watering your garden, which will help you save on water and also not drown your plants. If you are seriously considering doing a drip irrigation system, you may want to look into a controller that will actually dictate what zone gets watered first if you've done zones. If you just have a whole home setup where everything gets watered all at once, even that could be on a timed controller or a smart controller, maybe even an app controlled device that will allow you to program things from your phone. Another thing you can do on top of automating your systems or having a smart controller is using your drip irrigation system with a rain barrel. Now we're in Southern California and don't get a tremendous amount of water here, but on the off chance that we actually do get rain, having a rain barrel can be highly beneficial because the rainwater is a lot better for your plants than is your city water. Now, if you want to save a ton of water on your residential side, our systems will help you do that. Ours will work with tankless, heat pump water heaters. If you have dead end plumbing, if you have a return line, meaning you already have a pump on your house, or if you have a manifold system, our kits will work with everything. If you want to get some specifics on that, you can reach out to us at fasterhotwater.com on the contact page, where you can find all the contact info. Reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. I'm Nate with Faster Hot Water. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next Monday.